Well, what do we have here? We have something quite unusual. It is a numatic Xp380 from 2000, and this is quite an unusual machine. Oh, I've left the cap downstairs, but it is quite an unusual vacuum in the fact that it has a plug socket on it. Now this particular one, the plug socket doesn't work because something, well, it was thought that something too powerful was plugged into it and it fried the circuit board, but I am not great with circuit boards, so I can't diagnose what quite is wrong with it. So I've disconnected it for now. I'll use that one for now. Disconnected the socket for now, so this is dead, but it's still earthed. But it is quite a nice machine. I picked it up for £45, I think it was. It had originally came with the front lip the wrong way around. It was either 45 or 50, but front lip was the wrong way around and the clips were put on like that, so the clips are sort of defunct. But they get the job done. I'm trying to find a place I can set this. Sorry about the mess at the minute. Anyway, it's a little bit dusty. UDS motor in there, practically new condition motor. And then you have two dual filters. Here's a bucket. It's all very clean. Two dual filters. One has a small little hole in it. Nothing major. This is the switch, as I'm sure you can tell from the label, that would change the unit from running just the motor to running the socket and the motor. It still has, I don't know if it's original, but it has a nice 1.5mm square cable with a small dink, and it'll probably put tape or something around that. Nice plug. But yeah, it runs quite nice. It's a little bit dry sounding. But other than that, it runs well. Got your PCB screws. And yeah. Cord hook's still intact, which is different to see, but yeah, there's not much else to show on this machine. I will probably do a demo once I've got it fully stripped and cleaned, because it's quite an interesting machine. But if any of you know anything on what could have gone wrong with the circuitry, please let me know. But other than that, thanks for watching.